Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a double knitting tutorial. In this particular video I'm going to show you how to work the left crossing 1x1 cable in double knitting. If you've already looked at the video for the right crossing, you'll be familiar with this procedure. If not, buckle up and here we go. In order to start this process off, the first thing to do is to slip 4 stitches, the 2 pairs which will be involved in the cable, purlwise over from the left needle to the right, just like that. And then with my left needle on the back of the work, I'm going to insert the tip of the left needle into just the back of the 3rd stitch, leaving the 1st and 2nd stitches free like that. Then I'm going to remove the right needle tip from all 3 stitches, and those 2 will pop free at the front, and then I'm just going to slip the right needle tip back in there before they have a chance to go anywhere. That's the first maneuver. Swing the tip of the right needle round to the back, and now the left needle can go into what is now the front of the 3rd stitch, again on the right needle, leaving out those 2 as before. Then the right needle tip slides out of all 3, and those 2 pop free at the back, and then you can just pick it up like that and stop them from going anywhere. Bring the needle round to the front again, and then just slip these 2 stitches purlwise from the right needle to the left. That's put everything in the right order, and now you can just work your pairs of double knitted stitches over the top of them. I'm using the same colour as the stitch in the row below in each case, but you will follow any instructions as dictated by your pattern. I'll just do 1 extra pair of stitches so I can straighten things up before I show you what we've done. Here we are. These are the 2 columns of stitches which are involved in the cable, and you can see that the yellow one here is crossing over, that one there is crossing over very nicely to the left. And if I turn the work over, these are the stitches of my cable, and this one is crossing over to the right, which is exactly what we want to see. You could of course twist either the just the leading pair or both pairs of the stitches if you wanted to, for a tighter, neater finish, and in which case you would do all exactly the same things, but when you're working over the top you would work into the back legs rather than the front legs of the stitches, or into the trailing leg if your stitches are mounted differently from mine. But there you have it. That's how to work the 1x1 left crossing cable in double knitting.